not that I don't want you here.
If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl is back with another wig review. So I'm back with another wig review. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all, doing a quick glueless install, showing y'all the Luvmehair 5x5 curly bob. And this is 14 inches. And this is how it looks on me. This is the back. Y'all, I'm in love with this hair, and it's glueless, and it is a HD lace, so that's why y'all trying to figure out right now, like, is this her hair, or is this what is this? But look at this, y'all. Y'all see that? This is the packaging it comes in. So when you order from Luvme, don't forget to use my coupon code too. My coupon code will be right here, and it'll also be in the description box to save money. Make sure you use the coupon code so you can save your coins, some coins. But this is the box it comes in. I love the packaging. Like I tell y'all all the time, I'm so big on packaging. And it comes in a bag, a Luvmehair bag. And like, if you're new to my channel, when you order your Luvmehair wig, always keep your wigs in the bag. Like, that's how it stays nice and you have your wigs for years. As soon as you take it off, put it in the bag. Don't let it sit around your house, on the floor, nowhere. The bag, all right, y'all? The bag. And you get a free goodie bag. It comes with an edge brush, a mirror, a little scarf to tie down your hair, the mirror, a little pocketbook mirror that you could put in your bag, you know, look at yourself, like. But yeah, so I don't want this video to be too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed recording it. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, I want you around, It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I do weekly Instagram lives installing here and reviewing here. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Queen K Hollywood Beauty. I love y'all. Bye.